Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you a beautiful 7x16 multi-use unit we have in stock. These are set up so you guys can camp and haul and get some more use out of your trailers. This one's in a charcoal blackout. Does give you the extra tall diamond plate rock guard along the bottom. You've also got the V-nose guard there for extra rock protection. Extended triple tube tongue. It's going to give you guys a better turning radius. Side door does have the double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. Plus you've got two party lights here off the side, so you guys will have some great light to hang out with at night. That box that you're looking at right there is an exterior GFI outlet. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, and aluminum wheels, of course. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. Black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb. You've also got a gutter and then two spotlight load lights here off the back, so you'll have some great light if you guys are like us and show up at camp after work all the time in the dark. Awesome performance Nudo floor with Drymax. This is an amazing floor. It's very durable, meant to last a lot longer than a wood floor will. 4 D-rings in the floor as well for some tie down points. Now this unit's also insulated, so you have insulated walls and ceiling in here with a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Two 18x44 slider windows with screens right there across from each other. These are tinted. You guys can open them, unlock them, have some good features there. Slide the screens all the way open. 4 LED puck lights on the interior, so you've got 2 of these guys on each side, and these puck lights plus these spotlights plus the party lights off the side are all going to run off of this interior battery. So you do have a battery with a battery box and a battery charger, and again, that's to run all of your 12-volt lighting, which is great. Normally you need to be plugged into a vehicle or a power source to have light, so it eliminates that problem for you. Plus you've got 30 amp service right here, so you guys take this cord, pop it right through the floor, go into a generator. You can plug into an extension cord, you can plug into your campground, whatever you're going to do to power up the trailer. That is going to run your 4 interior outlets. You've got 3 right there, another one here in the back, plus the exterior GFI outlet. That's also 110. That's going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you do have the ability to heat and cool in here. And it's also going to run these 2 overhead 4-foot LEDs. So you guys will have great light in here. And again, they're all on different switches, so it allows you to control what you need on and off. And then you do have an additional max air roof vent here in the back, so you got some extra ventilation in the trailer. Back side of your door has that RV lock, and that gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys, so that's going to function for you more like a camper door will. And here it is. 7-foot interior height. This unit measures 16 feet total from the tip of the V to the back of this ramp door, and it is big enough for most RZRs, UTVs, and side-by-sides out there. So give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. We're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We ship. So if you guys don't live near us, no worries. Just give us a call, shoot us an email at sales@coloradotrailersinc.com. We'll get you a shipping quote. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe.